Hello guys, welcome to Tricky Tech channel. In this video, I'll explain why you should learn Devops. First of all, it's one of the top skills that employers are looking in IT industry. Second reason is Devops is one of the highly paid jobs. For that, you can check Indeed, Glassdoor, Quora and Payskill.com. The reason people are ready to pay high amount of salary to Devops is because of lack of skill in the job market. You know what? DevOps came in 2010 and still people are having difficulties in implementing DevOps. Third reason is you will get the 360-degree view of entire software delivery lifecycle. Let me tell you how. As a DevOps, you will be involved in different phases of SDLC, starting from planning, coding, compiling, testing, releasing, and monitoring. Fourth reason is when you understand DevOps, you will become more valuable to the company as you have worked on various tools and technologies. Fifth reason is DevOps will separate yourself from the crowd. Now let me explain you this with an example. So if you have a group of 10 people and you ask them how many of you know Java, so probably 5 or 6 hands will be raised. But if you ask them how many of you know DevOps, then 1 or 2 hands will be raised only. And why to wait for the numbers to increase? So as you can see that this will actually separate you from the crowd and you will offer something unique to any organization. And with that example, I'm not trying to say that people should not learn Java. Don't take it in that way. I'm just trying to give you an example. So guys, sixth reason is faster career growth. Since you will be working with different teams and you will be exposed to various development, testing and deployment technologies, that's how you will have a faster growth as compared to other job profiles. As regards to the career growth, let's say if you're a software developer or tester or an admin, then you can go ahead and become the project manager or automation architect or release manager also. Seventh reason is it's easy to get a job in DevOps. And why I'm saying it, because most of the organizations are moving toward DevOps and people are looking for DevOps professional in the market, but there are not enough people to fulfill the demand. So this is the correct time to learn DevOps. Eighth reason is exposure to various trending tools and technologies, which is really cool. There are many DevOps tools out there in the market. We have Puppet, Docker, Ansible, Chef, Nagios, Selenium, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Git and GitHub. So after learning DevOps, you will get a good hands-on knowledge on all of these tools. Finally, the most important reason is anyone with the basic technical knowledge can learn DevOps. The only prerequisite is basic knowledge of Linux and one scripting language.